This is the final video in this course. I sincerely hope you got a lot of value from watching these videos and that you make more money online with this information. Now I'd like to share 3 more tips that will help you greatly. Number 1. Always be patient. As with anything marketing related, patience will always be a virtue. Going back through this course helped me see just how simple these strategies are, but don't let simplicity fool you. These methods still take time to fully master, so you can start earning substantial profits. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Number 2. Don't give up. You will inevitably hit roadblocks along the way. You'll encounter a Craigslist client who is a nightmare to deal with. You'll hire someone on Fiverr who underdelivers big time. That's life. Bad things happen to good people all the time, but they're only small setbacks. In the grand scheme of things, they're just stepping stones on your path to success. And number 3. Don't stop learning. I'd be a fool to say this is the definitive course on Fiverr marketing. It's not, and I didn't intend for it to be. But it does give you everything you need to get started making real money on Fiverr. And for that reason, I'm extremely proud of this course. But I'm still learning about Fiverr every day, and I encourage you to do the same. Never stop learning. So where do you go from here? You've watched the videos, now it's time to implement what you've learned and start making money. Once you've experienced your first success with each of the 3 methods we covered in this course, your next plan of action should be to scale each model up in order to increase your profits. Reach out to more clients. Craigslist isn't the only game in town. Branch out to other online classified ad services. You can also reach out to actual website owners directly and offer your services to them for even higher rates. Create more products in different niches. It's always a good idea to diversify. Buy even more PLR content and split that content into more and more products. Build a website and direct traffic to it using links inside your $5 products. Then entice people to sign up for your email list so you can sell them additional products and services. Hire more sellers to do more work for you. If you find someone you really like, offer them more money so they keep you on their priority list. That way you can get work completed faster. You should also experiment with other Fiverr sellers and try different jobs to find more opportunities. And never forget this. When a business becomes comfortable and ceases trying to grow, that's when it runs the greatest risk of falling apart. Always strive to be growing, not only your business, but yourself as well. I know you have it in you. Now you just have to take action.